Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War split screen. First, you'll need to connect a second controller to your console. Make sure it's fully charged or has fresh batteries. Once connected, launch Gears of War Ultimate Edition. The game should automatically detect the second controller, allowing for a seamless transition into cooperative play. This setup takes less than 1 minute, getting you into the action quickly with a friend. After launching the game, navigate to the main menu. Here, you have two primary options for split-screen fun: campaign or versus. If you choose campaign, you and your partner can experience the story together, fighting through low-cost hordes. For versus, you can set up custom matches against each other or AI bots. There are over 10 maps available for versus mode, offering plenty of variety for intense battles. Just pick your preferred mode and get ready to play. Once in the game, you'll notice the screen is divided, with each player having their own view. This allows for independent movement and strategy. Communication is key. Call out enemy positions or coordinate attacks to overcome challenges. Remember to use the game's robust cover system to stay safe and always revive your downed teammate within a 10-second window to keep them in the fight. Mastering these elements will significantly enhance your cooperative experience. Gears of War Ultimate Edition offers a fantastic split-screen experience. Don't hesitate to try out different characters, each with unique abilities, and experiment with various weapon loadouts to find what suits your playstyle best. There are 5 acts in the campaign, providing many hours of cooperative gameplay. Whether you're battling through the campaign or engaging in competitive versus matches, playing with a friend adds an extra layer of excitement and challenge. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.